Fifth grade module 11 into math. Divide with whole numbers and unit fractions. Which cup should I use? You want to fill the large container so that it has more than 5 cups of water, but less than 5 1/3 cups of water. Because if you fill it more than 5 1/3, what's going to happen? It's going to overflow, right? Okay. You can choose only one of the 3 glasses to fill the container, and each glass must be full each time. You can fill and empty each glass only 8 times. Complete the table. So the first glass holds half of a cup. So if they fill it 4 times, that would be 4 times 1/2, which gets you 4 halves. And then they said that's 2. So 5 times 1/2 would be what? 5 halves, which equals what? Which equals 2 1/2. 6 times half would be 6 halves, which equals 3. 7 times 1/2 is 7 halves, which equals 3 1/2. And then 8 halves, or 8 times half is 8 halves, which equals 4. Okay. 7/8 times 4, they said, was 28 eighths, which equals 3 4/8. So 7/8 times 5/8, or times 5 is what? 35 eighths, which equals what? 4 3/8, right? Okay. 6 times 7/8 is 42 eighths, which equals 5 2/8. And usually I tell you guys to simplify them, but we don't have enough room for that, so we'll leave it this way. 7 times 7/8 is, which equals, oh, whoops, I put 40. So 49 eighths, which equals 6 1/8. Okay, 8 times 7/8 is 56 eighths, which equals 7. Okay. 4 times 2/3 is 8/3, which equals 2 2/3. So 5 times 2/3 is 10/3, which equals 3 1/3. 6 times 2/3 is 12/3, which equals 4. 7 times 2/3 is 13/3, which equals 4/3. 8 times 2/3 is 16/3, which equals 5. Okay, so which glass would you choose? So which one would let you fill it and get you the closest? 2/3. Or are you going to use the half, the 7/8, or the 2/3? The 7/8. Okay, so you would choose the 7/8 cup. Okay, and then how many times would you need to fill it? 6, right? Okay, now why did I say no to the 2/3 cup? Because you could do the 4 2/3, right? But is that going to get you as full as what you want it? No. Now, why could you not use the 5 1/3? That would fit in there. But say if you want to move it, are you going to be able to move it? No. Okay, because it's going to be right at the brim, and what's probably going to happen? It's probably going to spill, and you're going to lose some, right? Are you ready? Complete these problems to review prior concepts and skills. You will need for this module part of a whole. Write the fraction that names the equal part. Then write a fraction to name the shaded part of the whole. So each equal part is, so how many parts are there? 3. And then, so it'd be 1/3, right? Okay, how much is shaded? 2/3. Each equal part is 1/6, because it's broken into 6 pieces. How much is shaded? 5/6. Okay, so find the sum. So 1/8 plus 1/8 is 2/8. And then what's the simplest form? 1/4. 1/9 plus 1/9 plus 1/9 plus 1/9 plus 1/9 is 5/9 because you add the numerator. Do you add the denominator? No, it stays the same. Can we simplify that? No. 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 4/6 is 6/6, which also equals 1. 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5. 4/5. Can I simplify? No. Write the related facts for each set. So back families. So division. So what has to go up front? 20. So 20 divided by 4 equals 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. Division again. So 20 has to go up front. This time 20 divided by 5 equals 4. And then the next one would be 5 times 4 equals 20. Okay. Next one. What's my first one?
27
Equals 9. 3 times 9 equals. Next one.
27 divided by 9 equals 3.
Last one.
9 times 3 equals 27.
Okay. Next fact family.
56 divided by 7 equals 8.
Next one.
7 times 8 equals 56.
Next.
56 divided by 8 equals 7.
Next.
8 times 7 equals 56.